Hello. I just want to make a short announcement about our new website for users of Excel in ME. If you use Excel in ME, any of the add-ins, I would appreciate it if you would go to the new website and browse there, or possibly download the codes, even if you already have the codes. This will help the Google search engines recognize the new website as the new home for Excel in ME. The new website for Excel in ME is excelinme.net. And if you go there, you'll see, for a time at least, the familiar interface. But ultimately we'll upgrade this interface and enhance it a little bit, and maybe add some new content to the Excel in ME site. But I would appreciate if you could take the time to visit the site, and as I said, just browse some of the current content, and perhaps even download some of the same content, even if you don't use them, if you've already got them installed. This will help the Google search engine find the new website. If for some reason you try to access the old address, which was www.me.ua.edu/excelinme, it has to be capitalized, excelinme, that's going to throw you to the new site. So although there's a redirect at the old site to throw you to the new site, still need your help to get the Google search engine to find the new site. If you have any questions, as always, give us a contact, and I'll be happy to try to answer those. Thanks very much for your help.